Guys, today we're going to go do spay and neutering to stray dogs. So we're going to go pick dogs on the streets, okay, that are very fertile, and we're going to grab them, we're going to bring them to the clinic, and we're going to do spay and neuter to them. Now, guys, once we do the spay and neuter, we have to keep them here for a certain period of time so they don't get infected. Then we put the tags on their ears and we'll release them back to the streets. The reason why we do this is so the production stops, slows down, and because the numbers go down, because the numbers are so high right now. There's so many stray dogs on the streets, it's out of control. So for some people, they may not like what we're doing, but to the people that really know and understand, this is a must. This is the most important thing. Our food supplies have gone up, our medication has gone up, everything has gone up because of the number of dogs. Now, if we keep the number of dogs, if we do population control to them, then all of these numbers will be stable and we'll have more control over everything. We'll have less deaths, less dogs getting hit by cars, less diseases, less everything. So that's why, guys, you know, I know people, there's going to be some people that don't like what we're doing, but it is what it is. All right, see you. Hey guys, you want to be a part of this rescue by just sitting in front of your screen? Click on the membership. Everybody's been asking on how to donate. This is the best way, guys. By becoming a member, we'll be posting videos every week. We'll be doing questions and answers as well, and all the money will be going straight to the animal. Thanks, guys. See you soon. Bunları şey yapacağız değil mi? Kaç tane ayarlıyorsun?
3 tane ayarladım. Tamam. Yedek de alalım biraz. Bir şey olursa orada yaparız.
Tamam. Bunları alalım. Bunları alalım. Bunlar geliyor mu burada?
Yok, onlar gelmiyor.
Başla.
Ağlak bu abi.
He?
Ağlak dediğimiz bu.
Ağlak bu mu?
Damdan kaçırdı ya.
Ha bu.
He.
O mu?
Bak arabayı da tanıdı. Hatta bir mama verek mi buraya?
Verek mama verek.
Geliyor arabanın.
Evet.
Bak şimdi nasıl üstüme atlayacak. Bayılıyorum bu köpeği ya.
Ne?
Yaptın ya.
Sen misin lan? Sen misin lan?
Kaçak.
Dog was on our rooftop hospital. It was the one that kept trying to run away. It's literally climbing the fence and jumping over, walking around on the rooftop. Bro, bu kısırlaştırdığımız köpek, bak kulağında
Aynen.
Şey var, tag. Bizden biraz korkuyor ama sanki.
Normal.
That's the dog that we caught and we desexed. He's got a tag on his ear.
He.
There's an intruder. When there's an intruder, there's a new dog in the area, they all ran towards that one. These people here, they've left some food, so they're going to come back for the food. We're going to set up the dart, the black one. The black one's got an infection on his eye, so you'll see when he's coming here. We're going to zoom into the black dog. He's got a really bad infection in one of the eyes. So, like we did with the other dog had a wound on his neck and we desexed him. So, the black one's got something on his eye. We'll treat the eye and also do spaying as well. He understands that we're going to get him. That one there. That's why he's running away. Looks like we've got to come back for him another day. Guys, he's not giving up, so we're gonna have to jump on him. Tag on his ear.
Devran abi.
Bu mu?
Zayıf ama.
Hayır.
Zayıf ama.
Bakayım mı?
Diğerlerin hepsi kısır, bu da yavru.
This one's got tags on his ear. See that? Most of them have tags on their ears. It's the other one that was very sexy before. I'll just stick that one over there. So wait for him. We couldn't find a female, so we're gonna have to go for the male. He's running away now. Take it off. Oh, look, he just took it off. Threw it on the ground. You see that? Çıkardı, yere attı. Okay, so he's taken this off. This guy just fell straight on the ground, guys. So this one here is a lot weaker than the other one. Completely just fell straight on the ground. But the other one, the immune system is a lot stronger. And I might have hit this one in a sweet spot as well, so. Alright guys, we're back. We grabbed two dogs. They're both males. Couldn't find a female. So I'm going to dissect both of these dogs, tag both of their ears, show you a bit of the process as well. And then we're going to have to detain them for a little while until they pass the stage of infection. And once we pass the stage of the infection stage is gone, we release them back on the streets where we found them from, and then that's it. Okay, so this is dog number one. I'm going to quickly operate on this dog, and then I'm going to get the other dog, put him on the table. Dog number two. Step number one, sedation. Step number two, we shade the genital area. Step number three, make sure that everything is sterile before we operate, because we're going to end up cutting the testes. Step number four, sorry, we cut the testes. Step number five, remove the testes, stop the blood. Step number six, we stitch the testes back up together. Step number seven, antibiotics and healing process. Put him to a side, make sure he doesn't get any infections, and he heals in a proper manner, in our care obviously. And then step number eight, we put a tag on his ear and make sure that anyone else any municipal or anyone that sees this dog knows that this dog has been spayed or neutered.